Okay, in this video, let's talk a little bit about ArcAir and how ArcAir handles login passwords. So, if you do the initial installation of ArcAir, um, ArcAir comes up immediately, and it looks somewhat like this. So, it comes up in what's called laboratory mode, and laboratory mode is designed when you're just a single user for ArcAir. Now, if you have used ArcAir for a while and you've set yourself up as a administrator, um, then you may have a password. So I'm going to go in here and I will click on this, and I have actually set myself up as an administrator and I'm not active right now. And that is why I came up in laboratory mode. If I activate myself, all of a sudden this changes up here. So let's look at what happens now. I'm an active administrator. I am going to go out of ArcAir and go back in. And the first thing I'm asked for is my password. So I will enter it in. And now I'm allowed back in ArcAir. So this mode as an administrator is really designed to take advantage of the GMP capabilities of ArcAir. So if you have multiple users that are downloading information such as configuration or calibration data from tablets or wireless devices, and they're connecting to your advanced version of ArcAir, this is where user management comes in and you really want to set yourself up as an administrator. So if you're only yourself using ArcAir, you can go in and take and deactivate your administrative status. ArcAir will work exactly the same way here, and now you don't have to deal with your password anymore. So I hope that helps, and keep the questions coming on ArcAir and all the Hamilton products. Thank you.